Let's see. Oh my god, did I pick the fucking lighter? This lighter has nothing in it. The United States Consumer Product Safety Commission regulated the sale of cherry bombs, or M80s, in 1966. More U.S. federal regulations were put in place to bring the legal limit down from 200 milligrams of flash powder to 50 milligrams of flash powder in fireworks. So, even though these fireworks today are filled with much more than 50 milligrams of stuff, the actual stuff in it, for the most part, is filler crap with a little bit of a actual little firecracker on the inside. If you can look real close right here, there's actually a little firecracker right in the fucking middle. So they're really cheeseballing you here. We'll cut into it now. Let's see, what's the best way to do this without stabbing myself like a retard? I guess just go across. Well, I get the saw out probably. Oh shit, that was a lot harder than I thought it would be.
There's like a half centimeter of cardboard in the way. And all the stuff that's spilling out is just the filler crap. It's a little tiny, dinky little firecracker.
So there's the filler crap. And then, I don't know if that's just plaster or whatever it is, but it's just kind of to make it appear bigger and more exciting. But basically, these are nothing more than like a glorified firecracker. And in all reality, they're actually smaller than most firecrackers. So we'll saw through this. That is your dangerous firecracker. There's your dangerous firecracker. And this is what's banned in California and a lot of other states for being not safe. So in California, we avoid these things because they're not safe and sane, as well as many other states. Not because of fire danger, not because of other reasons, because this is not a safe and sane firecracker. And now we'll show you it exploding on a glove.
Alright.
So actually, what we're just going to do is light it off on my hand, because if this really blows up my hand, then this is going to be a sad day. But this piddly little thing, I don't think is going to cause much trouble. Look at that devastating damage. And it's that, not that. There's the mark.
I think that's just from the fuse burning.
I think mostly it's from the fuse burning. No damage. Not that, just that. An actual M80 is 1.5 inches long and 9/16 inches in diameter of the inside of the firecracker. It actually is a little bit bigger than your standard fake firecrackers today, which all start with M and then end in something else. But they're all just bogus. They're not actually the real thing. Whether it's M5000, M90, M8000, M200, whatever it is.
Forget about the Mfinity.
Mfinity, yeah, they're all fake. And they all come with plastic caps that cover the outside with inside filler shit and a little firecracker on the inside. As opposed to real M80, which has paper end caps and can be filled with up to 2.5 to 3 grams of flash powder, which is 50 to 60 times the amount currently allowed. These can actually cause some damage when blown up in your hand. So we're not going to test that. Now a test with the full deal. Not an M80, just an M5000, which should be more explosive, right? We're gonna fold the glove over and light it. Devastating. I think it's less damage with the fucking...
Looks like it.
Because the shit kind of blocks it. It shot out the sides. Like, because the thing shoots out in the end. Whatever. Yeah. You're used to
I'm
it.
surprised, like I can see the smoke more easily. Pleasant smoke.
One interesting fact about M80 fireworks and M100 fireworks was that in 1983, an explosion at a secret unlicensed firework facility producing M80 and M100 fireworks near Benton, Tennessee, killed 11 and injured 1, and inflicted damage within a radius of several miles. The operation was by far the largest known illegal fireworks operation, and the initial blast was heard as far as 15 miles from the site. It was arguably the largest firework explosion ever documented. So, if anyone can beat that, give it a shot.
We are villains.